Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Grade 1? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. And welcome to the fourth lesson of week number 8. In today's class, we will be continuing with the topic that we started yesterday, and that is skip counting, right? And we practiced skip counting in the form of twos, right? This means that we practiced how we can skip two numbers in the counting and we can reach at the next number, right? So there was a very easy and simple rule for that how we can practice skip counting in twos, and I explained it to you, and we practiced a lot of different exercises with that as well, right? So tell me, what was the previous method from which we took help in that? We draw a number line on the board, right? We draw a number line and then we take help from that, and it was very easy to find the next number from the number line, right? So now, tell me how many of you have practiced it at your home? Yes, excellent. So now I'm going to draw a number line for you, and I'll be writing some numbers, and you are supposed to tell me what would be the next number for that, right? So all of you are ready? Good. Okay. So this is a small teddy bear, and you are supposed to help this teddy bear in skip counting, right? Okay, so let's say the teddy bear starts from number 10 and he wants to land at the next number by skipping 2. So how can he find out what's the next number? Yes, how can we find out? Yes, Sarah? Very well done, by adding 2 in 10. And when we add 2 in 10, the answer is 12. Excellent. So this means that the teddy bear will land at this number. Excellent. Who is going to tell me the next number? Yes. Yes, Eliza, you tell me what's the next number. By adding again 2 in 12, right? So the next number would be number 14. Very well done. And who is going to tell me the next number? Yes, Vase, you tell me. Again, when we add 2 in number 14, we have number 16. So the next stop of teddy bear will be number 16, right? So the simple method or the simple strategy to find the next number in skipping counting is that we add the same number again and again into the previous number, right? To get the new number, right? Okay, so now I'm going to share the screen with you. There is this small video that will help you reinforce this concept, and then we will be doing some more practice exercises from your book. Okay, so I'm going to share the screen. Show me a thumbs up if it is visible to you or not. Is it visible? Okay, great.
Hello kids, let's do the counting. One pair of shoe, two pair of shoe, three pairs of shoes. So this is 2, this is 4, and this is 6. 8, 10, 12. Now what is this? This is skipping numbers. Skip counting in twos. This is how you do it, and continue doing it.
Okay, so the same thing has been explained in the video as well, that in order to skip counting, what we do, that we practice the same number, we add the same number again and again in the previous one, right? Now I want all of you to open your book, page number 37. Yes, okay. So now remember in yesterday class as well, we take help from number line, right? And when we were discussing, when we started number line in our starting week of classes, I told you that number line can be helpful for you in doing a lot of things, a lot different types of questions, right? So and so far we have taken help from number line in finding missing numbers, in writing countings, in writing ascending and descending order, and now we are taking help from number line in skip counting as well, right? And now, so up till now, all of you must be familiar with how you can draw a number line, right? So first let's quickly revise that as well, that there are two ways in which we can draw a number line. The one is along x-axis or horizontal order, and the other way is along y-axis or the vertical order, right? You can draw the number line in both forms. So you can either draw the number line on the bottom of your page on your notebook over there, and then you can take help from that, or you can either draw it on the very right hand side and you can take help from that as well, right? So now I want all of you to draw a number line starting from 0 and ends at 10 to solve this page, okay? Okay, I'm also drawing the same for you. You can draw either in horizontal or vertical order. 10, okay? So draw a number line. First, to find out the numbers, okay, do not look at the first row is already solved for you on the book, but I don't want you to look at that, okay? You start from 0. Draw this number line on your notebook and start from 0 and tell me what would be the next stop. When we skip two numbers, what would be the next stop? 2. And how did you come to find out this, Ali? By adding 2 in 0. Excellent. Okay. Yes, Sarah, you tell me the next number. Number 4. Very well done. Okay. Yes, Elisa, you tell me the next one. Number 6. Excellent. Yes, Amna. What would be the next number? Number 8. Great. And yes, Vase, you tell me about the next one. 10. Excellent. Now you will be drawing a new number line that will start from 10 and will end at 20, right? And follow the same guideline that you will be adding 2 in 10 and you will get the next number. Then again 2 and next number. Again 2 and next number. Draw a number line. Find out, circle the numbers by skipping countings and tell me what are the numbers. Hurry up. Draw a number line on your notebooks and tell me what are the numbers. Yes, you can draw in horizontal order or vertical, both, whatever you want to. All of you are done? Okay, great. Now, for the next row, the number line will start from, it will start from 20 and will end at 30. So what would be the number when we start from 20? What would be the first number? 22. Great. What would be the next? 24. Excellent. What would be the next? 26. Great. Then 28. And finally 30. Excellent. So these are the missing numbers, or the numbers when we are skipping 2, when we are following the skipping counting in 2s, right? Now the last activity is very interesting. Join the dots in the correct ascending order to complete the picture. This is not um, when you will join the dots, a picture would be created, right? And the numbers are written by skipping countings in the form of 2s, right? So join the dot. Let's start from 2. Join 2 with 4, then 6, then 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, then where is 18? Over here. Then 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Yes. Then are there any more numbers? No. So we are done. And tell me, what is the figure that is created? What is a picture? A picture of a penguin. Excellent. Okay, class. So do you guys enjoyed the lecture? Any confusion about skipping counting? No? So that was all for today. I'll be seeing you in the next class tomorrow, inshallah. And tomorrow you will be having a small quiz from whatever we have covered in the whole week. So be prepare yourself for the quiz very well. If you have any confusion in any topic, you can ask me before the quiz, and then I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Do share this video with others. Take care. Allah Hafiz.